With MoEngage features, we could do all these A/B testings for different timing, for different content, for different approach like code, no code, and we could build this entire funnel from absolutely no activity to initiating browse, to pushing them to add to cart or wish list, and then finally towards purchase. This entire thing could be optimized very well. 6 Feet is a fashion destination for more than 1200 very popular brands like Tommy Hilfiger, Adidas, Skechers, and so on. We serve the entire Gulf region. We primarily deal with products like beauty products, fashion, clothing, and footwear, and so on. So I believe the journey of 6 Feet and MoEngage, specifically in terms of customer retention, has been very hand in hand, and we have evolved. I think it's been more than 2 years with MoEngage, and during this time we have grown together in terms of how to use push notifications, emails, SMS, which further evolved to WhatsApp, the in-app notifications, bell icon notifications. So all these features which are available, so slowly we experimented together, try to understand these features, implemented them, and then grew. Using analytics, for example, try to understand some different data points, how customers are behaving, then building those journeys, doing a lot of A/B testing on content, as well as using things like Sherpa optimization to distribute the A/B as per intelligent optimizations. Moving on to intelligent time delay, that sending this communication not now but probably 2 hours later would make a lot of difference in the customer journey. So these things were very interesting, and this really helped us in the entire growth. In fact, our CTRs in the automated campaigns, they are 3 times higher than the regular campaigns, which is purely because of these experiments that we could do with MoEngage systems. So this very interesting approach that we have taken and has been a major winning approach for us. So for example, those customers who have not engaged with us, how to pull them in using inbound approach through emails, push notification, or WhatsApp. Wherever the customer is reachable, we try to pull them in on the platform. Once they've come on the platform, they'll probably browse based on their choice, let's say a footwear or a clothing or something else, right? So based on whatever they have browsed, we initiate journey campaigns for them using various features that are available within MoEngage, and we have developed this using a lot of A/B testings. Testing things like, for example, should we push these customers towards add to cart or towards add to wish list? So even this intelligence came out from a lot of analytics that we did using MoEngage platform itself. Once they've done add to cart, then push them towards buying. And over here again as well, if the person has done a cart abandon, should we send a notification 3 hours later or 3 days later or 10 days later? Should we send a code immediately or 5 days later? So that it's really helpful for the customer as well as for our company's P&L. And in the process, we are not irritating them, bombarding them, unnecessarily spamming them. 6 Feet journey with the AI actually started some time back when we started using some AI tools within our platform, and we saw that the conversion rates are 2.5x higher as compared to other regular curations that we used to do.
With MoEngage, we have created a lot of campaigns that we use across different channels, and we need to monitor them on a daily basis to make sure that it's stable and it's the expected results are being achieved, right? This is where the MoEngage Analytics Suite comes into play, because it's very essential for us to just look at it in a glance and understand if everything's okay, if the campaign health is good. So we use the behavior analytics, and the funnel analytics to understand the flow in each campaign. So how many impressions have been delivered, are the CTRs good, are the CVRs good, and if there's any drop or increase in any of this that is unusual, then it would be an indication to dive deeper and understand where it is arising from. The analytics suite gives us that in a glance. So it speeds up our process of understanding our campaign health.
As compared to SMS, the major difference is that in SMS you get restricted by just a few characters, and you have to really be transactional. In WhatsApp, you can be really inbound, meaning you don't have to really sell. You can probably create a value proposition for yourself. You can go through video formats, images, PDFs, so whatever you can imagine. With the churned customers, this is a very good strategy, because you can talk to them about the features that you have in 6 Feet as compared to your competitors in a very creative way. send out surveys, for example, and so on. And the response rates is always very high, because SMS you might miss, but WhatsApp is something that every people open several times in a day. Specifically with regards to WhatsApp, we see a CTR of roughly 50%. I think customer success support has been a very central part of the entire thing that we are doing, because again, so when I say we evolved, I somehow feel that even MoEngage evolved with us. When we would send a feedback that, this is a very good feature that could be there, Gmail from our team would rush in and push this across with their product team. The product team sitting in Bangalore of MoEngage, they would contact us, try to understand things, build BRD, send it across that, does it sound good? And they would come out with this feature probably in 1 quarter, 2 quarter based on their product life